lightning.
Glass game. He knows.
I know. He read it to me in his lightning books.
Okay, don't lean on me, okay?
There's these strips that go up to the top of the cloud and build. They turn into a rock and go down to the ground and crash into each other. And lightning comes down.
Now.
An old mother dies.
Very. Amen, I was right there. I don't care.
Ethan, right over here.
Amen, give me my ball back.
Stand over here. You got plenty of room. See?
Now I have to move my head all the way sideways.
Side.
No! I'll go out.
The angel closes her eyes.
I'm serious. I'm
Confusion lives below us now. Take the baby down the hall. Oh, I'm feeling coming back again, like a rolling thunder chasing the wind, forces pulling from the center of the earth. I can feel it. Lightning crash.
Not now.
Mother cries.